Hello, welcome to Boulders and Steel, a band called Sense of Noise, released on April 22nd, 2021, a single labeled Morning Glory. They come from Mexico and are a five-piece outfit. They do melodic death metal. The song was independently put out, so the track starts off on a melodic and heavy note, with nicely played keyboard sounds together with energetic guitar noise. The beginning of the effort has clean vocals, which eventually gives way to harsh vocals. Both vocal deliveries are excellent, and the instruments complement the voices superbly. It goes back to the clean vocals at about 55 seconds into it. For those who appreciate a good mixture of melodies in their music, we have plenty to be happy about this one. Some of the lyrics are defeated for so long in the clean section, and then the harsh part goes, run now, the wind is calling you, rise. So what I take from some of the words is the determination to better yourself.